What is up, guys? It is finally time to get this thing painted. Kyle and myself and Derek have been slaving over this thing for pretty much most of today, just masking, taping things off, getting the garage ready. I kind of showed you guys this. So everything's plasticed off in the garage. I took the headlights out, put plastic in the front, got the wheels all wrapped up. Everything's masked, and right now we're just hitting the car. Derek, what are we, this bottle that we're cleaning with?
It's just paint thinner. We're just using it to wipe down the car, getting all the excess dust off, any other bullshit that's on there.
And then we're gonna hit it with a tack cloth, right?
No.
Oh, this is it?
Yep. We'll just let this sit for a couple minutes, and then we'll get ready to start spraying.
Awesome. We got our little station over here. Got our paint, our clear, our reducer, our hardener, mixing cups, coffee, got Red Bulls in the fridge. I went and bought a new light. I'm gonna kind of show you guys the process as we start spraying. Alright guys, we are all done. It's almost 2 in the morning, but we just finished the clear. Derek, thank you so much, man. This is amazing. It looks so good. I'm so happy. And it's also just, for the first time, one color.
One color.
Yeah, it's been a lot of colors for a while now, so. Yeah, we are all done. I'm gonna show you guys some clips tomorrow morning when I can roll it out into the sun. And we'll see what it really looks like, but man, that metallic looks so good. Did you have fun?
Oh yeah.
Derek has sprayed his car, he sprayed our buddy Van's car, and now my car. So he's been pretty busy these last couple weeks. So we all owe it to him, because otherwise none of our cars would be painted. So tomorrow I'm gonna just kind of clean things up a little bit, and then Derek's gonna come back over so we can spray the entire body kit. All right, guys, it is night number 2, and we are about to spray the kit. So Derek's back, we got it all set up, bumper, rear bumper. Guys, we are officially done. Derek already took off. It's getting kind of late, so kit is all painted. Derek, thank you so much, man. I really could not have ever done any of this without your help. I really appreciate it. Front bumper came out super solid. The clear just looks amazing on it. I cannot wait to see this in the daylight. Side skirts came out super nice. They look so amazing. Oh man. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright guys, that is it for the night. Everything is done. I'm gonna run into one of these. Everything is done tomorrow. I'm gonna mount the whole kit, go do some other stuff, so stay tuned for that video. So I'm gonna call it for the night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the paint video. I know there's just lots of clips of Derek painting and clearing and all that, but it was fun. It was fun to do it. Fun experience making the little paint booth and all that. So, all right guys, like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. We have officially 4 days until we go to Oregon for the 3-day drift event. So we got a lot to do. Stay tuned, more videos to come. I'll see you guys later. Peace.